Valentine's Day!
Papakakula ko eh. Happy Valentine.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Judy Ann Santos, hinangaan lalo ng mga netizen, hindi bilang artista ngunit bilang isang napakagaling na chef. Sa nakalipas na 2 araw ay si Judy Ann mismo ang nanguna sa pagluluto sa kanilang restaurant. Makikita naman sa mga larawan at mga videos nila, kung gaano ka-supportive ang kanyang asawa na si Ryan Agoncillo at kanilang mga anak na sina Johan, Lucho at Luna. Bilang owner at head chef sa kanyang restaurant, ay talagang maasikaso ito sa kanilang mga customers na siyang ikinatuwa ng lahat.
Happy Valentine's Day! Our first seating is ongoing now, so happy Valentine's Day!
Papakakula ko eh. Happy Valentine.
I'm done with 2 nights na chef's night with 2 sittings per night. Finally, this is my last chef's night. It's a bittersweet kasi tapos na. Pero okay din kasi at least tapos na, makakapagpahinga na. And I can move on to another thing. Thank you sa lahat po ng nag-experience ng Opposites Attract Chef's Night. Maraming salamat talaga kasi this is what makes me happy. Thank you for being a part of my happiness. I do hope na one day maservan ko ulit kayo ng Chef's Night. And I hope to see you here at Agredaba Westgate. Thank you very much. And again, to my cast members, Kitchen and FOH, Ate Malu, Kuya Dondi, and of course, Ryan. Maraming salamat. I love you guys. And I love you, Papa, for always trusting me and always having my back. And Chef Sonny, thank you for your trust. My OJPH family, thank you always for being with me. I love you all. Good night.